you.
Thank you so much. Check, check, check. Okay, அடுத்ததா இந்த படத்துல வந்து இன்னும் அழகான ஒரு கலர் ஆட் பண்ண ஒரு பியூட்டிஃபுல்லான the women பாயல் அவர்கள். Can we please have her on stage? பாயல் அவர்கள் பத்தி மத்த ஃபெலோ ஆக்டர்ஸ்லாம் பேசும்போது அவ்வளோ ஸ்வீட்டான ஒரு ஆக்ட்ரஸ், ஷீ இஸ் வெரி ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி டு பி வித் அப்படிலாம் சொன்னாங்க. நீங்க சொல்லுங்க, how was your experience working with this leader team?
Oh God, finally I have come on stage. Thank you so much for that. So ellarukku vanakkam. Romba romba santoshamga irukku. And I hope all are doing good. So once again back in Chennai, and Chennai is one of my favorite places due to the warmth of its people. Of course, food, dosa, idli, sambar, vatte, Colombo, and many more. And of course, the that cinema culture that thrives here. I just love that. So I love Chennai for multiple reasons. And today we all have gathered here for the pre-release event, and I have had this opportunity to meet my entire cast and crew over here once again. So thank you so much, Chennai Media Fraternity and everyone who all are present here for adding grace to our event. And just want to say, whenever I come on this stage, this particular stage, I feel like this is not an ordinary platform or a stage. It is much more than that. It is beyond that. It's a sacred place. It's a sacred platform where legendary actors left their marks and paved path for us. Icons like Sridevi ma'am, Kamal Hassan sir, Rajni sir, they have contributed significantly for Tamil cinema. And today, yes, today, I have, thank you so much. I have had that opportunity to be able to stand on this particular stage and to be able to connect with you people one-on-one. So thank you so much. So I'm feeling extremely, extremely fortunate. And now, for this film, our leader is standing next to me. Ruko zara. So, you know what? When a few months back, I met Sir for the very first time. You know what I found and what I felt about him? Like, he's an epitome of kindness and generosity. And the one question I have asked him when we were shooting in Georgia, how come you are so concerned about everyone present around you? आप सबके लिए इतना सारा केयर कैसे कर लेते हो? That's your nature, I know that. So he replied me there, and that actually stayed with me. That people gonna forget you soon, but they will never forget one thing, how you have treated them. And that's the thing that stayed with me, sir. Thank you so much for motivating me. Thank you so much for being there for me. And I'll tell you one thing about him. I don't know much about his films before, but for Leader, he has invested himself like anything. Also, I have seen his 360-degree transformation throughout this film. I know he worked tirelessly for this project, so congratulations, and I'm sure this movie is going to be a huge, huge landmark in your career. All the best, sir. I love you so much. And now coming to my favorite person, Are ruko yaar. So, captain of the ship, Durai Sinthal Garu. क्या बोलूँ मैं आपको? I mean, a few months back, when I got a call from his side, he started narrating me the film. And deep inside my heart, it was already a yes. I was dying to work with you. You are a visionary in yourself. And I'll tell you one thing, we are poles apart, north and south. He hardly speaks. And I am the chatterbox that you have to shut me up. I'm somebody like that. But surprisingly, we get along very nicely on the sets of Leader. And thank you so much, sir. And yes, one more thing I want to mention here, that if given a chance and I have to steal one thing from Sinthal Garu, that would be patience. I told you just now, you remember? No matter how the circumstance will get, chaos here and there, but this guy never loses his calm and cool. I respect you a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Saravanan sir. And to the entire team of leader, congratulations. The big day is not that far. Our film leader is going to release on 3rd April. So Kandipa must watch. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Payal.
Wait,
Thank
wait.
you so much. அப்படியே வந்து ஒரு 1000 வாலா பட்டாசை பத்த வச்ச
And
மாதிரி.
Jibran sir, I mean, what you are, bringing on the table is just marvelous. I love all your songs, especially the last one they just performed. It's actually giving me goosebumps. So thank you so much. And Venkatesh Karu, my DOP, my cinematographer, he's a visionary in himself. Thank you so much for trusting me and making me feel so beautiful and gorgeous on screen. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
மச்சான் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு உங்களுக்கு பாயல்னு பேர் வச்சது பதிலாக புயல்னு பேர் வச்சிருக்கலாம். அவ்வளோ ஒரு வேகத்தில் போகிறீங்க. யுவர் ஸ்பீச் இஸ் லைக் ஸ்ட்ராங். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் ஃபார் திஸ் அமேசிங் எனர்ஜி. எஸ் தேங்க்யூ. ஸோ நீங்கள் 4 பேரும் இருக்க இந்த ஒரு அழகான தருணத்தில் இந்த மேடையில் இன்னொரு பெரிய ஒரு லெஜண்ட் ஜாயின் பண்ண போகிறாங்க அப்படின்னு தான் சொல்லணும். ஏன்னா இவரை பற்றி சொல்லணும்னா நிறைய பேர்